Hey there guys, this is tier 6 hat with this first progress video. Basically we're just going to be going through a rundown of my stats, some of my goals, some stuff like that, current, future videos, some other stuff like that, just random stuff, you know. To start off, right now I'm just fishing, I'm really new skilling, I just started today. 18 fishing. So yeah, of course I'm level 3. Obviously, I'm never going to change that. I was going to be level 3. Introductory tasks, stats. I just started today, and I've been working on my duelist cap. I'm trying to get tier 6 duelist cap. And I haven't been working on my stats. I just started, so that's why my stats are really bad. 18 fishing. Quest, I did cook's assistant, room mysteries, and steel foundations. Yeah, I'm just fishing right now. What I'm wearing, the duelist cap from the duel arena. It's pretty cool. Stir MAT, my clan cloak, as you can see here. That's how to see it. Damn, all these bots. Wizzy G robe top, blue skirt G, leather boots, gloves, and training bow. One prayer, magic. Here's some of my goals here, okay? Has just the date my account was created and my goals. I have my goals set for the duelist caps because I really want to get tier 6. It looks really nice. I'm really good at skillers. 50 plus in all my skills. Once I get 50 plus in all free to play skills, I'll probably make my account members. 100 mil wealth is one of my main goals. Right now I have 25 mil wealth or so. And 1,000 totals is also another goal I could be working towards. There's random things over there, emotes, settings, you know, all that shit. And here's the clan chat that I'm in. It's a skilling clan chat, and my friend Miko, I just recently added him. He owns it, and he's on his road to 99 fletching, so he's working really hard on getting that. Say hi for YouTube. So yeah, if you're a skiller and you're sick and tired of those really big clan chats, you know, like hpfll, they're too crowded and stuff like that, then just come here. It's pretty chill. Just fill a few guys. It's pretty nice. Friends list, Winter's Days, showed to him. Just recently added him. You should go check out his videos. They're pretty sick. Grip My Scam. He's a friend of mine. Pure. Miko, he's the one that owns Clan Chat. He's go for 99 fletching. You can go see his videos too. It's pretty good. That's pretty much all for all the stats and stuff. I'll show you my bank, I guess. My bank's not that good, but I have I have a decent amount of cash in it because I recently quit my Pure. And the reason, okay, so here we go. So I have 37 mil cash. That's because I quit my Pure and I just put everything on this account. So I have a pretty good amount of wealth. 37.5 mil. It's random tab. This is my outfit tab. I don't have much outfits yet. This is just my wood cutting and fire making tab. My mining tab. My fishing tab. And this is going to be crafting tab once I get my bank organized. What else is there? Yeah, so for me to explain more about these hats, basically what it is it's a hat, and you get it from the duel arena, and basically when you win a certain amount of duels, you get different tiers. Like you start off at tier 1, and you work your way up, and once you get 5,000, you can get to tier 5 and tier 6, and it'll look really sexy. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. If you want to add me on RuneScape, feel free. My name is tier space 6 space hat. I just thought of a unique name. I hope you enjoyed the video. Rate and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks.